Knee pain, it could be due to injury or medical reasons. At basic level, they respond very well for simple therapeutic exercises. Let's check one such simple exercise. Very easily available, and this is all you need for that. So simple one, sit comfortably on the chair, place the ball and try to press the knees as much as you can. So what is happening when we are doing this? When we are talking about the knee, it is not just the knee that need to be strengthened. What is supporting the knee joint? It is the upper limb, our quads, inner thigh, hamstrings and the outer thigh. So we should be focusing on strengthening the surrounding muscles to support your knee. So when we are trying to press the ball in, all the quad muscles, inner leg muscles, all the muscles are contracting, and then we will release it. So these muscles, when we are contracting and releasing, when we are strengthening up, that is the strong support system for your knees. So hold as tight as you can. Try to squeeze in, don't hold your breath, keep breathing and release it. As you progress, try to increase the pressure. Now the same thing, let's add a little more challenge. Just get rid of this stool. Go against the wall. Even sitting against the wall in this position is quite challenging. Until and unless your legs, your glutes do not support, you cannot hold the position. So once you are there, once again the same thing, place the ball gently and hold it tightly as much as you can and releasing it. Try this for 2-3 times and see the difference. And what is more important, you can get rid of your lower abs as well, because it involves in holding the tight core muscle tightly and squeeze it, release it. So simple. There are n number of exercises which are already there. Everybody knows. But this is one exercise I thought I should share it today to try it for a challenge and to also have a difference. Alright?